Stock paper chasers out there, what it do? You already know who this is. Hey, I'm gonna bring you out 2 bangers right now, but before I start, if you're a new audience to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you bang on that bell and turn on all notifications. If you're a current subscriber, thanks again. Appreciate you coming back through to see your boy. Make sure your notifications are on you and make sure you have subscribed. All right, that's what I'm talking about. First 2 I got, I talked about them in my stock paper chasers room this morning. I told you I'd give y'all the why. So here's the why. I got 2 bangers that I'm talking about. These are, in my opinion, these are long-term growth stocks. They're in the infancy stage of their growth where they starting out the marketing, starting out driving revenues, getting visibility and sales. And then as those things come along, the more visibility, the more sales, the more revenue toward profitability, then the stock goes up. I like to get you in on the ground floor. So I don't like to make you buy a $70, $80, $100 stock. I get you in when you can buy multiples of hundreds and thousands. So this is what I got going on. BioSig Technologies is the first one. They actually a medical device healthcare company. They operate a non-invasive computerized technology called the Pure EP system, medical device, of course, and it aims to drive procedural efficiency and efficacy and electrophysiology. It provides diagnostic signals with high clinical value in cardiac aberrations that treat highly irregular heartbeat and arrhythmias. Medical people, you know what I meant. Anyway, that's a condition that causes the heart to beat on an irregular basis or abnormal rhythm basis. It is the 4th leading disease in the United States, untreated or undiagnosed. They can increase the risk of severe health complications, including stroke or even death. So this system is a viable system that makes sure that has a market to save lives, right? And help out on strokes, right? Trying to figure that out. So I think this is why I love the stock. It also has a potential for treating, check this out, diagnosing or treating cancer, autoimmune diseases, pain management, diabetes, hypertension, arthritis, and neurology. Now, if you look at all those and you do like the value of those particular markets, like what do they spend per year in market as far as the growth of that, look at this. This company is in a growth phase. They treat a lot of different things. So that's why I'm bringing you this banger. FDA had cleared this device for them. So that's what they got going on. Now, they actually had some tests with the system at different hospitals, right? The goal was to have 1,000 cases by the end of 2021. They have already achieved that goal of having 1,000 by 2021. We in July. So do the math. That means they getting visibility. That means people either requesting their services or they're getting out there where people want to try out their product to try to help these people with strokes, diabetes, neurology issues, all that. So anyway, of course, they raised their guidance and they raised it to 1,500. So 50% increase raised as the amount of cases that they want to have because they see that there is a market for it and they see that these doctors and clinicians are asking to use their product. So it helps drive their revenue. They say they're looking forward to a very strong second half of 2021 after, rolling the product out. So I love what they're doing. But what's really the catalyst that's a banger that if someone was to get in now, I ain't gonna tell you that right now. I'm gonna keep you listening. I'm gonna tell you this. The market that they're in, they're penetrating a 4.6 billion electrophysiology EP market, expected to see 8.5 billion in 2024 and 12.2 billion in 2026. So when I say growth, right? Get in at the ground floor, ride it up to the penthouse. If you want to take your helicopter off the penthouse after you done made money off of it, you do what you do. That's on you. But this is what they got going on. So I'm gonna continue to talk about this one right here, right? Now, they expanded in New York markets. They got a marketing team out. They got leading physicians that are working their product to see if it's out there. In 2018, they were named one of the 50 innovative companies to watch by the Silicon Review. 2018, we had 2021. So they on people's radar. The company has also been covered by EP Lab Digest, the Los Angeles Business Journal, and Diagnostic Intervention Cardiology, among others, and was added to the LD Micro Index here just recently. Check this out. This is credibility. They signed a 10-year strategic agreement with Mayo Clinic and developed a robust IP strategy. Mayo Clinic, you already know what that is. Not mayonnaise, but Mayo Clinic, world renowned. They have a 10-year strategic agreement with them, so they're working with reputable organizations. They hired 2 seasoned med techs, recently sales executive in the company, to lead the rollout of the product. As we expand our clinical footprint, we're rapidly learning how the cardiac information provided by EP complements other technologies and elevates the experience in the electrophysiology lab. That's what said right there, boom, by the senior director of marketing there. So BioSig, that's what I got going on. Check them out. See what the device looks like, right? Talk about that. But the banger on this one right here is the stock been going up the last 2 or 3 days, right? But check this out. Here's why. July 28th through Friday, July 30th. So Wednesday, July 28th through Friday, July 38th, they're going to be presenting their product out there to get more clinician eyes on it. And so if the value looks like it's there, and they have a good meeting, a good review that may come out on the stock, it can pop the stock up. Now again, I told you before, you can get in a stock and it can be a long term, but if the thing pop crazy and you want to take profits, you do what you do. If you want to hold it, boom, but you can always come back in. Probably at a higher ceiling, who knows? But I'm just giving it to you. That's what they got going on. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. BioSig, we're going to jump to the next one I got. Now, talk about this one, Meds, right? Which is TradeX Health Incorporated, right? The stock went up crazy, right, this week. And reason why is because they actually signed a deal with Winn-Dixie, Southeastern Grocers, and Bonham Health that they inked a telemedicine deal. So that what they're doing, they're getting visibility, partnering with companies to get inside of grocery stores and things of that nature, where there's a high visibility because people got to eat, they got to shop. So it brings visibility to the company. That's why the stock bounced off the ringers like that right there. But then they also got financial results on July 26th. I really don't expect the financial results to be that significant, being that they just rolled out the product, but hey, they can surprise me. Anything's possible. But we're not buying it based on that particular catalyst right there. It's a long-term stock is why I'm trying to, talk about buying it, and the space that they in, telemedicine and being in pharmacies inside grocery stores and things of that nature. So this is what I'm talking about for this here. So again, they will provide affordable telemedicine services to patients through their Bynum Health signature mobile health service and subscriber program, staffed by over 600 board certified medical providers. So this is not a small organization, you feel me? Now, they actually just launched MedChecks with the Health Passport app for iOS devices. Yeah, you Apple phone, you know what I'm talking about. But just so you know, Android users, they got some too. So you can turn your face up and let them know you in the ball game too. The app maintains a safe and secure digital health record that can be used in real time for an entry to any location as long as the end user is a partner in the network. And they are rapidly building the future partner network of countries and companies across all verticals who value security, ease, and cost-effective measures afforded by the app. Boom, they actually did a share repurchase program. And some of you took my class, we talk about catalyst. When company buy back shares, it's good for the company. Stock normally goes up. So they did that, and the stock bounced off that because that was like maybe 2 weeks ago. So boom, but it went back down. So here we are. So again, that's what I got going on. In the last 3 years, they saw their revenue grow 62%, and their first quarter revenues increased 39%. So again, low stock, getting visibility, revenues, got a good value product out there that can be, helpful for anybody in their platform. So this is how, once they get the visibility, any hospital can possibly sign up, any biotech company, whatever. They got it going on. But the last thing is they got a price target of $10.25. I think that's probably a 40-something% increase if it goes up that side. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about those two bangers right there. So your boy just finished it up, dropped it to you real quick, 10 minutes or less. Hope you're having a great day in the stock market out there. But again, you new guys out there, subscribers, go ahead, hit the bell, turn on notifications so you can get them. Thank you again to my current subscribers. And then check me out, stockpaperchasers.com. I provide insights, knowledge, wisdom, perspective, some training content, stockpaperchasers.com. Check it out. Or come on by Stock Paper Chasers because I educate on the daily there too. So that's it. This your boy, The Boss, signing out. Y'all be easy out there, but make sure you keep your mind on your money and your money on your mind. Be empowered to go out there and make this money. You feel me? Be enlightened with what you learned in this market out there. You feel me? That's your boy, Boss Ross, signing out. Deuces, y'all be good. Sayonara.